Assisted pistol squat with a box. So we're going to start from a seated position, taking the suspension trainer, one leg out in front of us, and we're going to drive through this grounded leg using the suspension trainer as only as little as we need to really, just to help us up. And then slowly, as we're coming down, slowly resting. Try not to completely lose control of your core when you come into the rest position. Keep your chest nice and upright, core nice and strong as you drive through that front leg. And slowly come down. Again, minimal aid with the suspension trainer. And there you go.